Alright, welcome back. Let's get started on this UStudy app that we're going to build, this flashcard study app. As you can see, just by looking up here, this is where I'm at in my terminal. I'm on my desktop in a folder called Workspace and a folder called Django. So just get to where you want all your code to live for this. And get there in your command line using a bash terminal or, whatever other terminal you have. Alright, so now that we're here, let's review our directory structure we want. So in our workspace area, we basically want a directory called second project, and that's going to be our root level directory of the project. Inside of that, we expect to have another directory called ustudy, essentially the name of the project, which is going to have our settings.py, views, URLs, etc. This is going to be our package root level directory. So let's build this. Put that out of the way. So the command to start a project, if you don't remember, actually let's make this second project directory. So I'm going to do mkdir for make directory, second project. I'm going to cd into second project. And if I list out the contents, you can see it's empty. Makes sense, we just made an empty directory, right? So now we're going to say Django admin. I'm going to say start project. The name of the project is ustudy, and there's a little period here. Don't forget that at the end. That means create it in this same exact directory. If you don't have this period, Django admin is going to create a new directory and then put the contents of the project inside of that. It gets a little confusing. So just make sure Django admin start project ustudy, so right here in this current directory. Hit enter. There we go. We have our manage.py, we have our ustudy, and I wonder if I have tree installed. Tree. No, I don't have it installed. Okay, so I can change directory into ustudy. List out the contents there, and you'll see the settings.py, the URLs, the WSGI. Alright, if we go over here, that's exactly what we wanted. Manage.py, settings, views, URLs, and they're correctly set up. What we don't have is this DBSQL Lite 3. So let's go ahead and get that. And the way we're going to get that is I need to go to my project root level directory where manage.py is. So cd ... means go up one directory. And I'm going to say Python 3 manage.py. You may have to say Python. Remember, you may be saying Python 3. Just whatever command is actually working for you. So Python 3 manage.py. Let's just try to run the server. Make sure we don't get any errors. So we didn't. System check, identified, no issues. We have 13 unapplied migrations. And it says run python manage.py or migrate to apply them. So let's go ahead and control C to quit our server. There we go. And let's run that. So manage.py, oh, excuse me. I gotta do Python 3 manage.py migrate. And actually, before I do that, so watch this. Notice how, oh, we do have the DBSQL Lite 3. Yep, never mind. So let's go Python 3 manage.py and migrate. And now it's building all the tables that it needs in our SQL Lite 3 database. Alright, so now the next thing we need to do is create a super user. And we create a super user by typing Python 3 manage.py create super user. Alright. I'm going to, yeah, we'll just put it as John. Email address I'll leave blank. Password is going to be, don't copy my password. There we go. There we go. Create a super user successfully. Now let's run the server. Make sure we can log into the administration menu. Oh. Run server. Perfect. So in your browser, go to localhost :8000. It worked. Let's go to admin. And let me try to log in. Awesome. So there we go. So we're working. Our directory structure is set up, our server's working, we have administrative access rights to our admin panel. Everything is looking good. So in the next video, we'll start to dive further into this and get going. Thanks.